welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are feeling amazing. If this is your first time here, you're welcome. My name is Rebecca, and on this channel you find lifestyle videos, beauty videos, vlogs. Welcome to my channel. Now, if you're a long-time subscriber or you just recently subscribed and you just came back to watch another video, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to click that notification bell down below, so each time I post, YouTube will notify you and you will not miss any uploads from me. Okay, now today's video, guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how I take off my makeup. Removing your makeup is very important. Even though I don't put on a lot of makeup, just basic foundation, powder, and do my eyebrows, and that is still very important, the process of removing your makeup, because you want to get all the makeup out of your face and you want like smooth skin. You don't want like build up of like makeup that hasn't completely removed off your face. So yeah, so in this video I'm going to show you guys how I remove my makeup and how I make sure that all the makeup on my face is removed, so I can have a fresh, smooth skin. Okay, so yeah, so I'm just going to show you guys the product that I'm going to be using in this video. So I'm going to use this simple micellar, I don't even know, cleansing water from Simple, obviously. Yeah, so this, I'm going to use this and cotton wool to remove. The first process to use it to remove my makeup. This will just help me remove the first layer of my makeup, because this is a brand that I use and I like it. So after removing my makeup with this, then I go in with my Dudu Osu. I can't show you guys Dudu Osu because the packaging is gone, so it's literally just the bar of soap, but it's inside this bag. So I'm going to use my Dudu Osu and my scrub to scrub my face. I'm going to be showing you guys anyways how I do it. So I'm going to be using the Dudu Osu and the scrub to wash my face completely. Third process, I will put this on my face. This is the Himalayan charcoal glow mask, just to kind of bring back moisture to my face, because the Dudu Osu cleanses your face completely and it kind of dries out your face. So the this glow mask will kind of bring the moisture back to your face. So I'm going to use this for about 5-10 minutes on my face, just to kind of bring the moisture back. So, and I love using this works for me, and I bought this in the body shop. It was quite expensive, but it works. So yeah. And then my final process after putting on the glow mask and removing it is, then I'm going to finally use this. This is the I don't even know how to pronounce it, ST Ives, I believe, Nourish and Smooth Oatmeal Scrub and Mask, but I'm going to use it as a scrub, not as a mask, just to kind of do the final process and just make sure everything is completely gone. And this also brings back moisture to my face before I moisturize my face. So yeah, so that's going to be the full process of removing my makeup and all that. Alright guys, so obviously the first thing first, the most important thing you want to do is remove your wig. If you're wearing a wig, make sure no hair is on your face. If you have weave on, just basically remove your wig or remove any hair on your face, and just make sure that there is no hair hiding the makeup part of your face. So yeah, so obviously I'm wearing a wig, so I'm going to take off my wig, just to, ouch, yeah guys, so I know I look a bit weird now. So yeah, so wig is gone. You can completely see the makeup on my face. Obviously my contour is not the best, but yeah, we will get it. Okay, so right after we remove the wig, the next thing, obviously the first step, is the cotton wool and the simple micellar water to first remove the first layer of your makeup, completely remove everything. So I use one to remove the makeup on my forehead, just to kind of go in on my forehead. It's very important. Make sure all this part is completely removed. So that's the first thing. Okay, so I use about loads. Actually, I use loads of like cotton wool, because second one underneath my eyes, use it to completely remove my eye makeup as well. It's very important. Okay, so remove one side of my face. I do this, guys. I know it's wrong, but I do this as well to remove the lipstick, but not completely. And then I need another final one to do the other side of my face. Right, guys, so that's the first step done. This is basically all the cotton wool I used to remove the first layer of makeup on my face. There's still makeup on my face somewhere somehow, because all the ones that I can't see, so that's why we need to do other steps just to completely remove the makeup. So yes, so this is the first part done. The main makeup on my face is now gone. The second step is I'm going to use the Dudu soon to wash my face, just to completely wipe out all the makeup that I can't see. So I keep my Dudu here, because if you don't know Dudu black soap, it literally it can just cause like a whole big mess. As much as I love putting on makeup, I also love removing makeup, because I love the fact that after I remove my makeup, I can finally touch my face in that. So yes, so this is the scrub box that I'm using. I'm going to use this and my Dudu also. But first off, you need to wet your face, because it's very important. My face, wet your face, put a bit of Dudu also. Dudu is a mess, or black soap as you guys know it. And just scrub your face. If you have any piercing or anything, just make sure that the scrub does not like take off your, just make sure the scrub does not affect your piercing, because completely takes out everything. Ooh. Who else hates closing their eyes? I hate like closing my eyes since I was a child. I hate it so much. I hate closing my eyes. Like, it freaks me out. The face, and I can show you guys. You can tell anyways with this, because I'm going to show you guys my towel. See, no makeup. That's how you know that the makeup is completely done. Even my eye makeup, let me show you guys. There's no there's nothing. So yeah, so fresh face, better than the first step, because now you know everything is gone. Now the next step is my body, the Himalaya mask, charcoal mask, to put on my face, just to kind of bring moisture back to my face. So wet your face back. I'm just going to put this on my face. This is the mask. I'm just going to leave this on for like 10 minutes, and then do whatever I need to do, maybe clean up, and then come back. So I'm going to do, and then come back. Right guys, so this is after 10 minutes. Can you see it's like stuck on my face now? Can't even bloody move my face. So yeah, so so this is after 10 minutes. I'm about to take this off because my face is like solid now, like I can't even bloody talk. But yeah, so okay, let me be serious and take this off. Right, so I'm just going to take this off and just use my hand to use my hand and water to kind of scrub my face and just take it off. Cleaning my face with hot water. Is it just me, or do you guys do the same thing as well? Right, so after doing the mask and taking it off, this is what my face looks like. Still dry, but not as dry as before. So yeah, so the final process is I'm going to use this just to kind of bring back moisture to my face. I love using this, and I like this. I know they have different types, but I really love this oatmeal scrub and mask. This is the particular one that I use and I love it. So yeah, so I'm going to finally use this to bring back moisture and all over my face. So yeah. Guys, so this is me after washing my face, removing my makeup, and basically clearing everything up. As you can see, no makeup, everything is gone. I've also moisturized my face. I just need to put Vaseline on my lips. But yeah, so that's everything, guys. If you do enjoy this video, don't forget to leave a comment below. Let me know what you think, or how you remove your makeup. And if you like this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're watching this video and you haven't yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Don't forget to click that subscribe button down below. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Peace.